Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have yet another Mercari unboxing. There's no eyes one in this box, unfortunately. My next haul I think will pretty much be solid eyes one. So please look forward to that descent into madness. Yeah, let's get into this box. I just want to say, if you can hear sort of like noises, I have my window open right now, so if there's like, if there's drilling or something, I will stop and wait, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it's not that bad. So you might just hear like pigeons and things like that, so I'm sorry. Quite a big stack. And the first picture is this one from Heavy Rotation. I thought this one was so cute, and I wanted more pictures from Heavy Rotation. Because my copy didn't come with any. So I just wanted more. Here, let me just move this down. There we go. And surprise, surprise, it is a nature card. This is Sohi from Nature World Code A. I'm trying to complete my nature collection. With Girls and Flowers, I've realized I only need 3 more cards, and then I've completed it, which is very weird for me to think about. Oh, there are lots of things in here. Oh, and they've kind of all fallen out. But it is more nature cards, and these were the Nature's Day cards. Thankfully, then, none of them have been damaged. I'm not quite sure what Nature's Day was. If any fellow Leafs can just let me know like what it actually was, because I wasn't aware that it was a thing. And I'd seen like those photo cards on Mercari before. I just wasn't like, I just didn't know kind of like what it was. Like, was it a fan meet or what? And so here we have a Takashi Judy card from Sentimental Train. I think she looks so cute. She's so pretty. here we have Yukin's picture. I think this might be from this might be from Fortune Cookie in Love. I can't quite remember. And I sound like a really bad fan when I say that. Ooh, I can't feel anything in here, so I'm just gonna open this from here. So I don't. Oh, this is lucky that this wasn't damaged, but oh, it is. Sorry, my phone just randomly stopped recording. But yeah, this is damaged. This is bent. Ugh. This is why, ladies and gentlemen, you put things in a top loader. Shouldn't be too, like, it's not, I don't think it's that noticeable. But yeah, so this is Yukin's from Beginner. Like, I know I pick the light option, like, every time, but I don't see how difficult it is to just use top loaders. Yeah, like, top loader. So yeah, this is a Yukin picture again, and I think this one might be from Jabaja. I think maybe. With that other Yukin picture, I'll after I finish recording, I'll put it into my binder and just see how it looks. So, and if not, I can just sort of flatten it out. So, here we have Rose's other pre-order benefit, K-Town For You pre-order benefit for her photo book. Because I think I got pretty much the one that everyone else had, and then there was this one, and I love like this whole part of like photo shoot and everything, and I just thought it was so pretty. But yeah, I'm very happy that I managed to find this when I did, because I got it for really cheap compared to what they're selling it now. I think I saw it on Mercari again for £30, which is almost double what I paid for mine. So here, oh, there is a bit of eyes one in here. So this is Sakura's picture from 12, or one of her pictures. So I think somewhere in this book, in this package, there is another binder. And so I decided to have a separate binder for Eyes One. Here you go. Here's another picture of Sakura. So I've decided to put all of Eyes One's Japanese cards into their own separate binder. So they're no longer in the binder with all of my other K-pop cards, and since they don't fit, they don't really belong in my AKB binder, so I thought I would just get their own separate binder. It might be this one. Oh, no, it's not. This is... How do I... How in the world? Okay. So, this AKB48 Green Flash, and this is the theatre edition. So here is the OB strip. So I don't think there will be a picture in here. I'm sorry if you heard my doorbell. Yeah, there's no picture, so that's fine. Funny enough, that album was the main cause of this haul, because I was a bit of an idiot and I accidentally consolidated my previous Mercari package without checking if there was anything that needed to arrive, and there was that. So there was a bit of boo-boo the fall, but this is me we're talking about, so what to expect. So here is Yukin's Shortcake. Like, I love this song, it is so sweet. Oh, and here is the OB strip. So this is the CD. This is type A, by the way, so it's a CD and the DVD, and here is the picture. Let me just move these to the side. There doesn't appear to be much in terms of photo book, but we'll just go through. Yeah, literally that's all it is. So I think these are just ads, and oh, that's really sweet. It's just like a little photo card. And also, I'm sorry if you can hear the TV. Like, this house has very thin walls, so we can hear like everything in this house. Ah! I think I can feel the bind. I think this one is the one with, yes, this is going, so yeah, this is going to be my Eyes One binder. So literally there's just 3 slots, and it's very sort of basic, but I just thought that I just kind of figured that they kind of deserve their own binder, because they don't really fit anywhere else. So I just wanted to put them on their own. Oh, let's come loose. So, oh, it's a bunch of Yukin pictures. Oh, there's this way. So, here's this one from Jabaja. And then this one, I think, is from one of the albums. And then this one is just sort of a 2017, I think, like, Christmas thing. But they didn't. Oh my god, I can smell food. I'm sorry. I've just been to the doctor's. And I've had like no food yet, so I'm a little bit hungry. I might have like the some spicy noodles after this. I'm sorry, I should stop talking about it. And in here, yay, is this Judy Rocket Punch photo card from Ring Ring. Interestingly enough, so I did originally collect Judy. For those of you who remember sort of like my first few Mercari hauls, I did originally collect her, but I actually did sell my Rocket Punch collection. And then I really wanted Ring Ring, because it's one of my favorite songs, and so yeah. Oh good, I think it did. This is the album. Okay, good. So there was a listing for like I think almost all of Judy's photo cards aside from this one, and in the translation, so in the translation of the listing, it said that like it'll be sent in the album. Oh, I think I've been given 2 copies of the album anyway. It said, yeah, so it said that it would be sent in an album, but I didn't know if that was a mistranslation or if it would actually be sent in an album. So I was like, I was fully prepared to, like, you know, if it didn't come in the album and it was a mistranslation, I was fully prepared to just buy, like, a copy of the album from somewhere. But yeah, I'm actually quite thankful that it did come in the album. Okay, so here is the poster. Oh, sorry. But no, I love this song. Like I loved kind of the vintage inspired sort of trend that we had in K-pop. Okay, so we get the sticker sheet, and here is the, oh, it's like a vinyl. Oh, that's cool. So are there any cards in this album? No. So I'm guessing all of the, yes, they're in here. Okay, everything's in here. Okay, so I will sell one of my one copy. So I got these little postcards. Oh yeah, a whole load of cards. So this, I think this is Judy's other version. And then this one, I think this, yeah, this is the Make Star card. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this is an album card. I think it is. I know, like, Rocket Punch do a lot of album cards, and it can be quite confusing. Which ones are album cards and which ones aren't? Oh, these are all stuck together. So it's Dahyun. Sohee. Suyeon. Yeonhee. Yukin and Judy again. So yeah, I will be selling the other copy of my album along with, I think, maybe all of these cards and one of these little not posters, one of these little postcards. So if you want your hands on one of them, please check out either my eBay or my Depop, which are both Call Me Buffy. I think they will be up probably by this time this video goes live. If you guys are interested. Yeah, so let me do a whole overview and wrap up this video. Okay, so that is everything in my latest Mercari haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again very, very soon with my photo card sorting video. Bye!